When choosing the right camera system, the Paramount system is an excellent choice. However, with so many options available and many features to consider, how do you know what to choose? Today we'll be breaking down how to choose your system. First, we will have to pick the NVR, or Network Video Recorder. This will be based on how many cameras you need, 4, 8, 16, or 32. There are more advanced versions available with AI features such as facial recognition. Great, now that we know what NVR we need, let's move on to the cameras. CCTV cameras come in various form factors, each designed to suit specific needs based on installation location, aesthetics, and performance. The three common types are dome, turret, and bullet cameras. Here's a breakdown of each one, along with their advantages. Dome cameras. These cameras are typically encased in a clear or smoked dome. They are often mounted on ceilings. The camera lens and housing are integrated into a single dome-shaped enclosure, making them discreet and more resistant to tampering. Turret cameras. These are similar to dome cameras, but typically have a more open design with a flat lens mounted inside a small cylindrical housing. The housing is often more compact than a bullet camera. Bullet cameras. Bullet cameras are typically long, cylindrical in shape and resemble a bullet, which is where the name comes from. They are often mounted on walls or under eaves. Bullet cameras usually have a long lens and are designed for more direct surveillance of a specific area. They may have a fixed lens or a motorized one with zoom capabilities. Speaking of zoom capabilities, here are some field of view shots to help guide you in selecting the right camera for your needs. These Paramount Series NVR come equipped with human classification for accurate notification. Links for the products mentioned will be in the description.